Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music or local files to your Spotify on your Android. So let's get into our Spotify here. Right, to add your local files, it's really easy. So once your Spotify is open, you have to go to the library section, which is on the bottom right side corner. Now once we're here, you will get a lot of options, right? But on the top right, you will get this plus icon. Tap on it. Now here you will get this option of playlist. So let me just create my own playlist here. Now I have to click on add to playlist, and here I will get this option to add any of my songs here. So now you will find no option to add your local files, right? But there's another way. Make sure that whichever files or audio which you want to put it into your Spotify, make sure it's available in your files, right? So we'll just go to our files section of our phone. Now here, let's say this is my audio section and this is one of our audio here. Now let's say I just want to click and hold, or you can just click on it, and here now you will get an option to open with your Spotify. Now just go and click on Spotify right here. So this music or this audio track has been added here. The same way you can just go and click on more songs here, and by the way, let's say you can just go to your music file section and just select so many files at one point of time, or by the way you can select all of them and just you can move up to your Spotify files, right? So here you have to go to the move section here, then you have to look for Spotify, and then you can just move all your local files to your Spotify. But if you just want to do instant, then the only one solution is just tap on the music file. You will get this option to play it over your Spotify, and then you can just play on your Spotify. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.